Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our Daily English. I'm Emily, and today we're tackling a frustrating problem. Have you ever used perfect grammar, but people still give you a confused look? Or maybe you feel like your English just sounds off?
Exactly, Emily. It's a common wall learners hit. You know the words, but the vibe is missing. I'm Alex, and today we're going to show you exactly how to fix that, fast. We're moving beyond textbooks and into real-world American English.
By the end of this 30-minute masterclass, you'll have 3 actionable tools to sound more natural and confident. Let's dive in. Alex, what's the biggest reason someone sounds unnatural?
It's the translation trap. Most learners think in their native language and swap words one for one into English, but English has its own logic.
Right. Like saying, I am having a doubt, instead of, I have a question. It's grammatically okay, but as a native speaker, it sounds a bit clunky, right?
Exactly. To fix this, you need to learn chunks, not just words. Instead of learning word decision, learn the chunk make a decision. We'll show you how to build your chunk bank right now.
Now, let's talk about how you say it. Alex, why does rhythm matter so much in the US?
American English is a stress-timed language. We don't give every word equal weight. We stretch the important words and squeeze the unimportant ones.
It's like music. If you speak with a flat rhythm, you sound like a robot. Let's practice a sentence. I'm going to the store. A learner might say, I am going to the store. But we say, I'm going to the store. Alex, if you had only one tool to fix English flow, what would it be?
Shadowing, hands down. It's where you listen to a native speaker and repeat exactly what they say, with only a split-second delay.
Let's show them how it's done. I'll say a natural sentence, and Alex, you shadow me.
Notice I'm not just repeating words. I'm copying her soul, her pitch, and her pauses.